Hello, my name's Cassie and here's Peppy. And he's going to do something really funny. So watch this.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Okay. He was doing something, I don't know why, but watch this.
This is on gags.
Okay. There we go. We need to make him respond. Hello, Peppy. How are you doing today?
Double.
What you doing? So
Normally he would answer you, but
sometimes he doesn't. But right now I gotta say bye because I got another. I want to take another video, so bye. I have to walk all the way to my mom to turn this thing off. I forgot how. Can you turn this off?
If you want to turn it off, you just press the red button again.